Welcome to a brand new tutorial on Oracle Fundamentals View. In this tutorial, we will try to know about create simple and complex views, retrieve data from views, querying the dictionary views for the view information. Oracle View syntax: create or replace force non-force view, then view name, alias as subquery with sec option constraint with read-only constraint. This is Oracle SQL Developer. We are now connected with Acer schema. This is worksheet for Acer schema. Here we just want to initialize the tutorial with creating a view. This is create or replace view, then view name, then adds, then adds. After adds, this is subquery. Here I use this subquery for employees table object, where the columns employee ID, last name and salary, where clause employee ID equal 80. So these are the columns. So after I executing this query snippet or employee records for employee information from employee department ID 80 will be returned. Here we can see the possible employee information for ID 80. So if I execute this whole query snippet, our view will be created, and this is created view emp view hg. So if now we will see how to retrieve data from a view. So after executing the below query snippet, this is query select statement. After executing this one, we can see the same records as like a subquery in views previous view. So in this way we can create a view and retrieve information from a specific view. Now we will try to know about create a view by using column aliases. So we just want to use this query snippet create view. Here we can also add create or replace. Replace is also a name it will be used when a view already exists in our schema. So here the view name, and this is subquery, as you know. Here the expression we use salary into 12 and department ID equal 50, and these are the columns of this subquery. So this is alias actually. So this alias name will be the column name of the view. So this is the alias used in views. Retrieving data from views. Here are the possible views for cell view 50. Now we will try to know about the columns from this view by the given alias names. So let's have a look at an example with this query snippet. Create or replace view name. Here we can see the subquery employee ID, name and salary, and after here after the view name we define the uh, column aliases. Here are the three columns. ID name is its associated value will be employee ID, name associated with a last name and salary. In n salary means salary into 12. So in this way we can ally aliases aliases uh, view columns. So after executing this snippet, we can see the view is created successfully. So in this way we can alias a view use columns. Here are the possible results from this newly created view. Now we will try to know the description of a view structure. Describe. This is the view name, cell view 50. After executing this snippet, first I just want to clear the output screen. Here we can see the ID name and salary. This is the definition or information of cell view 50 and view. View information. This is the data dictionary actually. So if I execute this snippet, we can see the view name actually. So this is view name. I just want to copy this copy this view name and retrieve data from user views. This is the data dictionary view. Here you can see the possible views for this schema or user, and here the text that contains full view select statement. So this way we can find or view the possible views for a specific schema. After I just want to filter with where close by using view and view name. Here we can see the view text. If I copy this snippet, here we can see the subquery section for this view, and this is on by default read only. So in this way we can find view information from the dictionary view. Now using the view check option clause, create or replace view name as then subquery. Here we can see employee where clause employee ID equal 20 with check option constraint. Here the constraint name. So we know we can insert any data or update data by using the view. So if we insert any record or and delete any record, we must have to use this employee ID equal to 20. This is the limitation or constraint for this view. So if we want to use this the constraint sake for your view, we can use this example in our real application or real life database view. So after I executing this query snippet, our view will be created successfully. So I just want to clear the output screen. I just want to update a record with in department ID equal 10, but in our view we use 20. So this query will not be executed. View with check option where clause violation. So we must have to use 20 here. If I use here 20 instead of 10, our update operation will be successfully done. So another example, denying DML operations. So we can deny any DML operation by using a constraint like with a read-only option. By using this statement, we will not able to any DML operation without except select statement. Except select statement. So here the with read only statement use. So after executing this query snippet, our view created successfully. Now we will try this view to delete some records from this view. Here we can see that cannot perform a DML operation in a read-only view. So we only use select a statement for this view. Otherwise, other DML operation we can't execute here. The last one is dropping a view or removing a view. After executing this, our view has been dropped. So if I select or fetching data from this view, it will not possible because table or views does not exist. Message will be appear. So this is the view example. Thank you.